Good afternoon, my dear students. How have you been doing? Hope you are doing great and hope all of you are fit and fine as well. Alright, right now we are in the class of grade 2 science and what did we do in the previous class? Do you know? Do you remember? What topic did we discuss in our previous class? Well, we discussed about living things, the examples and the characteristics. Am I correct? Yeah, we did that, right? Okay, then can you recall some of the characteristics of living things? Living things, they move, they grow, they reproduce, they have sense, they breathe, they die. These all are the characteristics of living things that we had discussed in our previous class. Am I correct or not? Yes, we did that, right? Okay, now talking about today's class, we have a new topic, that is habitat of animals. We are going to discuss on the same topic today. All right? Okay. What is habitat? Do you have any idea? Habitat, it is the place where animals live. The animals, they live. Some of them they live on land, some of them they live in water. And in the land also, some of them they are found in forest, some of them they are kept at our home only, some of them they are found in bushes and so on. And including water, some of them are found in pond water, some are found in sea water and so on. Yes? Alright, then the places where animals live is called the habitat of the animals or the shelter of animals. Let me repeat it again. The places where animals live is called the habitat of animals or the shelter of animals. Where do you live? Can you tell me? I live in my house. You live in your house. Although the places may be different, but we live in our houses. We human beings, we live in houses. In the similar way, animals also, they live in their home. Some of the animals, they make homes by themselves. Some of the animals, we human beings, we make home for them. Okay, then why do animals need shelter? Whenever we are outside and it rains suddenly, what we do? We run towards the safe place where rain cannot catch us. Yes or no? In the similar way, animals also, they need shelters for protection. We, like us, all the animals also need shelters for protection. Animals need shelter to live in and to be safe from heat, rain, cold, wind and also from enemies. What are enemies? Alright, friends, they think for our good. They think us to do better. But the animals are those who do not want us to be better. Similarly, animals also, they need shelter to protect themselves from enemies, to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, wind and so on. Okay? Let me repeat it again. Habitat, it is the places where animals live. And why do animals need shelter? They need shelter to live in, to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, wind and also to protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, now as I have already told, some of the animals, they make homes by themselves, and the domestic animals that are kept at our home, we make shelter for them. Some of the animals like wild animals, they live in natural habitat, natural, gifted by nature. Okay, human beings, they cannot create. Gifted by nature is natural. So, and in natural habitat, forest, water is counted. Okay. Now at first we will move on to the animals, we will move on to the domestic animals, and to domestic animals we make home for them. Okay, let's move on. Here is the first picture for you. Can you see what is in the picture? A cow is there, right? Then where is it? It is in its home. The home of the cow is called shed. What is it called? Shed. Remember the terms, okay? Cow lives in shed. Similarly, moving on to the second picture, what can you see there? Goats are seen. Where are the goats? They are also in their home. They are also in their shelter. What is the shelter of goats called then? Goats live in pen. P-E-N, pen. It's not a pen that we write with, okay? It is the shelter, the home of goats is also called P-E-N, pen. Alright. Now, moving on to the next picture. What can you see there? Can you see horses there? Yes. Then where are they? Where are the horses? The horses are also in stable. They are also in their own home, and horses, they live in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. I have told you already. Please note down these terms. Horses, they live in stable. Cows live in shed. Goats live in pen, and horses, they live in stable. Alright, how many of us have kept fishes in our home? Where are they kept? Can you tell? In our home, fishes, they are kept in aquarium. Where are they kept? They are kept in aquarium, isn't it? Yes, they are kept in aquarium. So here also, can you see the picture of an aquarium or not? Yes, the picture of aquarium is seen, and fishes, if they are kept in our home, then they are kept inside aquarium. Are you getting me? Okay. Now, the next picture. The next picture shows a dog inside its home. A dog is inside its home. Then what is the home of a dog called? The home of a dog is called kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Dogs, they live in kennel. Okay. Similarly, pigs. Do you know what sort of animals are pigs? Are they domestic animals or wild animals? They are also domestic animals, okay. And pigs, the home, the shelter of the pigs are also made by human beings. Then see there are so many pigs in the picture, right? And where are they? They are also inside their home. The home where pigs live, where pigs are kept, is called sty. S-T-Y, sty. Did you note the term? It's S-T-Y, sty, okay. Pigs, they live in sty. Then now moving on to next picture. What can you see there? Can you see the picture of a hen? Where is it then? Hen is shown in the picture, and it is also inside its own shelter. The home of hen is called coop. The place where hens are kept by human beings, it is called coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Okay. We discussed almost 7 animals right now. Yes? Okay, let me go for short revision again. Cows live in shed. Goats live in pen. Horses live in stable. Fishes If they are kept in our home, then they are kept in an aquarium. Similarly, dogs, they live in kennel. Pigs, they live in sty. Hens are kept in coop. Did you get me well? Now, as I have told already, some of the animals, they live in natural habitat. Natural, gifted by nature, not created by human beings, okay? That is nature created, that is nature gifted. Then, what sort of animals live in natural habitat then? Have you been to zoo or not? Have you seen their lions and tigers? Well, lions and tigers. Similarly, monkeys, elephant, giraffe, deer, and also fishes, dolphins, whales, they also live in water, and water is also counted as natural habitat, okay? But lions, tigers, monkeys, they are found in jungle, and that is also the natural habitat. Now let's move on to the picture. In the first picture, lions are seen, right? Tigers and lions, they live in caves, they live in dens, and they are found in jungle. They are found in the natural habitat. In the similar way, in the second picture, the picture of tigers is shown, and tigers also, they live in, lions and tigers, both of them, they live in caves or dens in the forest only. Alright? Then, moving on to the next picture, we can see the picture of a monkey. Where is it? Is it on the tree? Yes, it is. A monkey is shown in the picture, and it is on the tree. The tree is also naturally made, okay, not created by human beings. So, monkeys also, they live on trees. Then, let's see other pictures as well. Can you see the picture of elephants? Where are they? They are in jungle. They are in forest. Similarly, next picture. Is it the picture of a giraffe, the tallest animal? Yes. Also, where is it? It is also in open land. In this picture, it is in open land. Then, next picture, is it the picture of a deer? I think so. Yes, it is a deer. So, let me tell you, the animals like elephants, giraffes, deers, they keep on roaming in the jungle, or sometimes they also hide in the bushes as well. Okay. So, let me repeat again, animals like elephants, giraffes, deer, they roam in the forest. They move here and there in the forest only, and sometimes they hide themselves in the bushes as well. Whenever enemies try to attack them, they may hide in the bushes as well. Well, now moving on to the next habitat, that is water. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals or water animals, okay? And we know very common example of water animals, that is fish, dolphins, whales. In the similar way, octopus, starfish, they are also aquatic animals. Then what does that mean is, all these water animals, they live in water. All these aquatic animals, they live in water. Also, you can also see the pictures here. Dolphin, there is the picture of dolphin. Similarly, fish, and then whale and starfish. Where are all these animals? All of these animals, they are inside the water. We have seen the picture already, right? So, all these animals, they are aquatic animals and they live in water, and it is also counted as natural habitat of the animals. Well, in this habitat, in this natural habitat, we learned some of the animals that live in forest, and some of the animals that live on trees, and some of the animals that live in water. Are you getting me, everyone? Now, there are also some animals There are also some animals that make home by themselves. They make their homes by themselves. Nobody makes their home, but instead they make their homes by themselves on their own. Can you guess some of the animals that make their homes by themselves? Well, at first let me tell you with the help of the pictures only, okay? Okay, see there the picture again. What is the picture of? Is it the picture of a pigeon? And it is along with its eggs, right? Okay, talking about pigeons and some other birds, how do they make their nest is they collect twigs and leaves. They collect those twigs and leaves in a single place and they make their nest. Okay, then next picture, doesn't it look so beautiful? It looks so beautiful, right? But it is waved by the bird itself. We human beings, we have not waved it. So we can easily see how beautifully the birds can also wave the nest. This is the nest of a waver bird, and waver bird, they waves the nest by themselves. Okay, now next picture. Now next picture is of a spider. Where is it? It is also in its home. The home of that spider is called wave. The home of the spider is called wave, W-E-B, wave, and it is waved by the spider itself. In our home also, in the corner of our rooms, we may see spider, and we may also see their net-like structure, isn't it? Yes, that net-like structure, it is waved by the spider itself, and it is also the home of the spider. The home of the spider is called wave, W-E-B, wave. Okay. Now the next picture. Can you identify the picture? The picture is of bees, insects, okay, bees. And bees, they live in beehive, they live in hive. It is also created by themselves only. The home of bees is called beehive, B-E-E-B-H-I-V-E, hive, beehive. Alright, the next picture, we can see rats over there. We can see rats there. They dig the holes. They dig the holes with the help of their legs, with the help of their sharp nails, and they make holes. Then they live inside that hole. They hide inside the holes. These are the animals that can, these are some of the animals that can home by themselves. Okay, and next animal is also there. Can you see the picture? What can you see there? A snake is trying to come out of the hole. But snake, it doesn't dig hole by its own, okay? It lives or it hides in the holes that is digged by other animals. Since it doesn't have legs or anything, it cannot dig the holes by itself. Then the next picture is of rabbit. Rabbit, where do they live? They live in burrows. What is the home of rabbits called? It is called burrows. B-U-R-R-O-W-S, burrows. Okay. As I have already talked in earlier also, previously also, we human beings, where do we live? We live in our home. We live in houses. And we human beings also, we make our house by ourselves. The person who makes our house are also human beings. Well, today we discussed the shelter of animals. And in the shelter of animals, at first we went through domestic animals. And to domestic animals, we human beings make homes for them. Cows, goats, horses, fishes, dogs, We discussed on those animals, right? And then we went through the animals that live in natural habitat, either in forest, water, trees, etc. And finally, we went on the discussion of those animals that make their home by themselves. I hope you have noted down the terms that we have used, like cows, they live in cow shed. If the question is asked what is the home of cow cud, then you can easily say they live in cow shed. Horses, they live in stable. Lions and tigers, they are found in natural habitat but they live in caves or dens. Similarly, fishes, octopus, they live in water. And of fish, talking about the fish, I have also told you they live in aquarium and they live in water. If fishes are kept in our home, inside our home, then they are kept in aquarium. Otherwise, they are water animals, they are found in water, but in aquarium also water is there. Yes? And snakes, they live in holes. Mouse, they live in holes. Rabbits, burrows. Human beings, houses. Pigeons, they make the nest by themselves by collecting twigs and leaves, I have told already. Weaver bird, it weaves its nest by itself. Spider, it lives in web, W-E-B, web. Okay. Now, finally, I would again want to tell you the importance of shelter. Why do animals need shelter? Okay, let me revise it again. Animals need shelter to live in, to be protected from heat, rain, cold and from their enemies. So, hope this class became useful to you and expecting your presence in other classes as well. Thank you for today. Have a nice day everyone.